Hello! Today we are going to learn essential shopping vocabulary in English. When you go to a store, it helps to know the right words so you can buy what you need with confidence. In this lesson, I will introduce common shopping words and phrases you can use every day. I will speak slowly and clearly, and I invite you to shadow me. Repeat each sentence quietly or out loud to practice your pronunciation and rhythm. Imagine you walk into a supermarket. You might hear someone say, "Can I help you?" or "Do you have a loyalty card?" These simple questions can feel tricky at first, but we will break them down one by one. First, I will teach you the basic words for places and items you often see. Words like checkout, aisle, receipt, and cashier. Then, I will show you phrases to ask for help, such as, "Where can I find the bread?" or "Could you tell me where the milk is?" You will hear each phrase in different ways so you remember them better. As we go through these words and phrases, try shadowing after me. Shadowing means listening and repeating immediately. This helps your brain connect the sound with the meaning. Don't worry about making mistakes. I will repeat each key phrase in several ways to help you understand. By the end of this chapter, you will know the most important shopping words and be ready to use them. Next, in the main part, we will explore each word in context and practice short sentences together so you can feel ready to shop in English. Now that we have learned the basic shopping words in our introduction, let's explore each one in context. When you arrive at the store entrance, you often see signs directing you to different aisles. An aisle is a long, narrow passage between shelves. You might say, "I'm looking for aisle 5, or you could ask, "Which aisle has the pasta?" Notice how both sentences use the word aisle, but in slightly different ways. Repeat after me. Which aisle has the pasta? Aisle 5 is this way. You can practice these examples until the word feels natural. Speaking of checkout, this word refers to the place where you pay for your items. You could say, "I'll meet you at the checkout," or "The checkout line is very long today." Try these variations. Where is the nearest checkout? That checkout is closed. Notice how checkout can be one word or two. Checkout counter or checkout line. Practice each form. Please join the checkout line. The checkout counter is over there. Shadow these until they flow smoothly. Another important word is receipt. A receipt is the paper you get after you pay. You might ask, "Can I have a receipt, please?" Or here, "Keep your receipt in case you need to return an item." To reinforce this, say, "I need my receipt for a refund." Then try, "Could you print my receipt?" Practice both sentences together. I need my receipt for a refund. Could you print my receipt? This repetition in different ways will help you remember receipt easily. Let's move on to price and discount. The price is how much you pay for something. You can say, "What is the price of this shirt?" Or, "The price seems high." A discount means a lower price. You might hear, "There is a 10% discount today," or ask, "Do you have any discounts?" Try these pairs of sentences. Is this price final? Can I use a discount code? Shadow each phrase. Can I use a discount code? Is there a discount on these shoes? Practicing both price and discount together will strengthen your shopping vocabulary. Finally, let's look at loyalty card and sale. A loyalty card is a store's membership card that gives you points or special prices. You could ask, "Do you have a loyalty card?" Or answer, "Yes, I have a loyalty card." A sale means that prices are lower for a limited time. You might say, "There is a sale on fruits," or "I love a good sale." Practice these. I'd like to sign up for a loyalty card. Are these items on sale? Repeat. Are these items on sale? I'd like a loyalty card. Please. By using each shopping word in different sentences, you reinforce your learning and build confidence. When you shadow these phrases, focus on your pronunciation and flow. In our next chapter, Examples, We will put these words into short dialogues so you can practice real conversations. Keep shadowing and let these words become part of your everyday English. Next, let's talk about the cashier. The cashier is the person who scans your items and takes your payment. You might hear, "Please place your items on the conveyor belt," or "Thank you, your total is $12.50. To practice, say, "Excuse me, cashier, do you accept credit cards?" Then say, "Cash or card," each time you use cashier in a simple question. Try shadowing both sentences. "Excuse me, cashier, do you accept credit cards? Cash or card?" Good. Saying these phrases will help you feel ready at the checkout counter. Examples: in our main part, we learned key shopping words like aisle, cashier, checkout, receipt, price, discount, loyalty card, and sale. Now let's see these words in short, realistic dialogues. I will speak each line, then pause slightly so you can shadow. Repeat exactly what you hear. First, imagine you enter the store and meet a staff member. "Good morning. Could you tell me where aisle 3 is?" "Sure, aisle 3 has canned goods. It's right past the bakery section." Repeat both lines. "Could you tell me where aisle 3 is?" "Aisle 3 has canned goods. It's right past the bakery section." Notice how aisle 3 is used naturally in a question and an answer. Shadow until you feel comfortable. Next, picture yourself at the pasta aisle talking to a friend. "Do you see any gluten-free pasta on this shelf?" "Yes, that box on the right says gluten-free. The price is $4. Repeat these lines. "I see these shoes are on sale. Is there a discount code I can use?" Use code SAVE10 for a 10% discount today. You've now practiced sale, discount code, and percentage. These dialogues bring our vocabulary to life. Keep shadowing each line until it feels natural and confident. In our conclusion, we will recap these phrases in fresh sentences and remind you how to continue practicing every day. Shadow these lines. "Do you see any gluten-free pasta on this shelf?" "Yes, that box on the right says gluten-free. The price is $4. You practiced pasta, shelf, price again, all in context. Now let's go to the checkout counter. "Hi, cashier, can I pay with my credit card?" "Of course, please insert your card and enter your PIN." Repeat. "Hi, cashier, can I pay with my credit card?" Please insert your card and enter your PIN. Here we used cashier, credit card, and PIN. Saying these phrases helps you feel at ease at the checkout. After you pay, you might ask for your receipt. "Thank you. May I have my receipt, please?" "Here is your receipt. Have a great day." Shadow. "May I have my receipt, please?" "Here is your receipt. Have a great day." This gives you practice with receipt and polite closing phrases. Finally, imagine a special offer. "I see these shoes are on sale. Is there a discount code I can use?" "Yes. Use code SAVE10 for a 10% discount today." Now you have learned and practiced essential shopping vocabulary in English. Aisle, cashier, checkout, receipt, price, discount, loyalty card, and sale. You heard these words in context and shadowed realistic dialogues, so they feel natural when you speak. Imagine yourself confidently asking, "Which aisle is the bread in?" and replying, "That checkout counter is open now." Think of saying, "May I have my receipt, please?" or telling a friend, "These shoes are on sale today." Each time you use these phrases, your shopping skills grow stronger. Remember, shadowing helps you connect the sound and meaning of words. When you repeat, "Could you tell me where aisle 3 is?" or "Can I use a discount code?" you build muscle memory in your mouth and mind. Try switching the sentences. Ask, "Do you accept credit cards, cashier?" And then say, "I'll pay with my card." Varying the phrases makes your English more flexible and comfortable. To keep improving, practice every day. Whenever you go shopping, even in your mind, use these words. Talk to yourself in English. Say, "I see a sale on apples," as you walk by fruit. Or pretend you're at the checkout saying, "Cash or card?" The more you use this vocabulary, the more it becomes second nature. You've done a great job today. Keep shadowing, keep speaking, and keep practicing these shopping phrases. Practice every day. And soon you will shop in English with confidence and ease.